Hey there, Dr. Josh with our therapist Mike here, and today we're going through your shoulder self-test worksheet. So as you look at this worksheet and you see the parts on here, the first one is to understand if there's any pain. So you wouldn't move into either the range of motion test or the strength tests if you were eliciting pain. So on that checklist, when you look into part one, which are the pain tests, the first one here is pain in your shoulder while sleeping. So if you're sleeping and you wake up and you have any pain in your shoulder joint or you have pain that's waking you up during the night from your shoulder, that is an indication that there's a shoulder problem going on. And number two, pain with shoulder or arm movement. So it can be any movement that you're doing toward the day. If you're reaching for something, going to the side, going to the front, anything that goes overhead and you start to feel some pinching in the front, that's an indication of pain. All right. Continued aching pain in or around the shoulder joint, even at rest. So if you're standing here like this and you're having aching pain in your shoulder, that is an indication that something could be going on with your shoulder. And last but not least, any clicking or popping sounds that cause pain. All right, so clicking and popping in the shoulder would be abnormal to begin with. But if you're starting to feel anything, so if you're moving your arm through a range and you feel any clicking or popping that causes discomfort, that is a warning sign. So if you're feeling any of these before you move on if you feel any of these, don't move on to the next tests.